Hi, this is Clark with Austin Powder Coat. We're doing a Type 3 engine tin installation. So now it's time to install what we call the heater box sleds. Now what's interesting is on a Bug, it's actually two different parts that go down here because you have to be able to remove this one to adjust the thermostat. You don't adjust the thermostat like that on the Type 3, you adjust it from up here. The other thing that's interesting is if you look, you can see it's actually about 1/2 inch wider, that tells you that the heater boxes are not in the same position as they are on the Bug. So the heater boxes are specific to Type 3, just like these tins are. Now this tin takes 4 screws. There's 2 up here, there's 1 down here, and there's 1 over here. Now on the 3/4 side, there's only 1 screw on top, but you still have the 2 down here. That's it.